In today's tutorial, we are going to load the Libby app and get it set up so that you can enjoy ebooks, audiobooks, and digital magazines from New Hampshire Downloadable Books. This is a service of your New Hampshire Public Library and the New Hampshire State Library. Let's get started. I'm working on an iPhone, therefore to get an app, I need to visit my App Store. I'm going to do a search for Libby by Overdrive. Note that the first block of content here is an ad, and instead I'm looking for Libby by Overdrive. I tap the download cloud, and depending on your download speeds, it will take a minute to open. There's a little tutorial to get you started. The first question is, do you have a library card? At this time, you must say yes, and you must have an active library card. If you don't have an active library card, contact your New Hampshire Public Library. They are monitoring their emails and will get back to you as soon as possible with your library card. So I'm going to say yes. And it asks, hey, if you have Libby on another device, you can synchronize between the devices. At this time, however, I'm going to start fresh. So I'm going to search for my library. A handy trick is to use a zip code. No, don't worry if you don't get the exact town that you live in. It's good enough to simply choose New Hampshire State Library. As long as you get New Hampshire State Library, you are on track. And now from here, we're going to choose a location. I'm going to scroll to my local public library. So we have a lot. And type in my card number. And sign in. Excellent. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this card. And I rename it because I might have another library card for another family member, or perhaps I work in another town and I have a card from that community as well. Excellent. And now I am ready to start checking out ebooks, audiobooks, and digital magazines. Thanks for listening.